Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Parenting and Positivity, and here I am Jannatul Ferdos. In today's video, we are going to talk about the powerful effect of good parenting has on our kids. Parenting is not just providing for your child's physical needs, but also fostering their emotional, psychological, and social well being. So, let's dive into how good parenting can truly transform a child's life. Parenting is one of the most important jobs in the world. But what exactly does good parenting look like? And how does it shape the future of our kids? First up, emotional support. Children need to feel safe, loved, and understood. When parents offer emotional support, it provides stability and security. A stable environment allows children to build self-confidence and emotional reliance. They learn to navigate life's ups and downs with more easily. A study showed that kids who receive consistent emotional support from their parents are better equipped to handle stress and are less likely to experience anxiety or depression as they grow older. Good parenting also means healthy communication. It's not just about talking to your kids, it's about listening to them. When parents engage in open, honest conversation, kids learn to express their feelings and thoughts in a constructive way. Being able to communicate openly helps kids build strong relationships, understand themselves better, and develop important social skills. The best part? It fosters trust between parent and children, which is crucial for a positive relationship. Next, positive role modeling. Kids are like sponges, soaking up everything around them. When parents model healthy behaviors, whether it's showing kindness, working hard, or managing their emotions, children are more likely to adopt those same habits. Good parenting doesn't just tell children what to do, it shows them. This is how they learn about responsibility, empathy, and reliance. The actions you take as a parent have a lasting impact on how your children will behave in the world. Good parents also encourage independence. By allowing kids to make decisions and solve problems on their own, they learn self-reliance and confidence, encouraging them to try new things, even if they fail. Teaches them that they are capable and that failure is a part of growth. Support. Yes, but also freedom to learn and grow. The balance is a key in helping children develop their full potential. Discipline is another crucial aspect of good parenting. It's not about punishment, but also teaching children the difference between right and wrong. The parents set clear boundaries and explain the consequences of action with love and patience. The kids understand respect and the responsibility. When discipline is done with care, it helps children make better choices and understand the value of accountability. It's about guidance, not control. Finally, good parenting supports mental health. In today's fast-paced world, mental well-being is just important as physical health. Parents who are attentive to their children's mental health, whether through offering support during tough times or creating safe space for them to talk help fosters emotional intelligence. By nurturing mental health from a young age, kids learn to manage their emotions, cope with challenge, and build strong mental resilience that will serve them throughout their life. So, what's the bottom line? Good parenting doesn't just impact kids in the short term. It has a lasting influence that shapes who they become as adults. By offering emotional support, healthy communication, positive role models, encouragement of independence, loving discipline, and mental health care, parents set their kids up for success in all areas of life. Parenting is a journey, and while no one is perfect, doing your best can make all the difference. So, if you are a parent or planning to be, remember that your love and guidance can change the course of your child's future. Thanks for turning in, and I will see you in my next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos on parenting tips. Till then, bye bye.